Kaso nahuli sila.
Lumubay ka na ako, lumubay ka na.
Hindi pala obra kasi ito yung hindi pa live. Kala ko ito pang live ko.
Kaya mo na, wag mo lang yan. Mas rinig ka na nga dyan kasi doon ay speaker rin. Ayaw niya kay Coco. Alay siya mag-habi. Hindi mo kasi ang mga hindi makarinig. Natagawa ka na nabiyan na yun. Kanay damit mo. Tawag ko na yan na dito, Andi. Dito na eh. Nagulat ako rin sa araw kung dapat ko sa Andi, tatay. Oo. Kaya dito, Andi. Dito, Andi, nakaganon. Tatay! Tatay! Ayos ako dito dito, Andi. Ay, kaka, nakasakay sa motor. Tatay! Ay, narinig siguro kay Mac, nagagaya. Rihanna! Ano tawag mo? Aga. Eto, sino na tayo? Tata.
Shoutout kay Ashley, saka kay Gigi. Mga solid viewers yan, no? Si Boogie, saka si Gigi. Team Sapang, wala pa. Shoutout kay Julio. Manood ka daw, Gigi. Ay, manunod. Boogie ang nanonood. Shoutout, Team Langla. Nanalo sa first game. Sila Papa J, Team Vice. Default yung nabao.
Hindi na lumapit na ba?
Nakamute kasi may music eh. Shoutout kay Edmar, Kapinpin. Kay Kalapate. Para Edmar, may karga ka ba doon sa kawan, Katbalogan? Shoutout Team Langla. Shoutout kay Remiel Sabay habang umiinom. Tapos. Nandito na si Lance Rosales. Wala yung unang game. Default yung nabao. Tuloy pa to, boss. Christian. Shoutout. Mga batang pinanggaan. Sabi ni Sacro, Hieronimo, Pearson. Shoutout kay Jimboy, De Luna. Shoutout Barangay Lumana, sabi ni Nathan agad. Sino ba yung mahal mo? Wilson Marukot. Shoutout Jory, sabi ni Miko Elipane. Shoutout Santos family, sabi ni Melvin Santos.
Lumabas naman. Paano mas pag nalito? Hinamayan ng ano kayo. Yan ang ibana.
Shoutout kay John Ray Arceo.
Paano ka ako?
Masarap ang pumesto rin eh. Masarap pumesto. Shoutout kay Christian Leabres. Sabi ni Christian Garcia. First game kanina, team by, saka nabao. Hindi na dumating yung team nabao. Nandito na rin yung team Sapang, oh. Dalawa. Shout-out daw kay Pare Pasqua, yung tubig, huwag mo kalimutan, sabi ni Jesse Habate. Daming fans nung team Pinanggaan, no? Wala idol dito si Lester eh. Baka hindi maglaro. Hindi nagwa-warm up eh. Shoutout kay Jenny Oblero. Happy Valentine's Day, sabi ni Jerry De La Cruz. Shoutout kay Consi Kelvin Abado. Shoutout boss from San Pascual, Tarlac. Sabi ni John Ray Arceo. Nandito na yung team Sapang, andyan na. Shout out kay Jetox. Wala si Rizio, Boss Christian. Shout out kay Boss Apyong. Salamat. Shout out sa Team Putlod. May lagnat na lahat. Shout out Idol. Ninyo, Deris, Taruk. Abate.
Okay, Bobby McBean, Barangay Sapang versus Barangay Pinanggaan.
Shout out to sa mga mamumusta. Bawal yun, boss. Bawal. Sabi ni Jason Pablo. Hello from Gulayan, Sapang. Sino na shout out mo? Ay, sino na shout out mo?
Ano? Di ako shout out.
Ha? Shout out daw si Boss Aris, oh. May babatiin daw, Happy Valentine's. Sino happy?
Ala! Wala kang ka-date eh. Sa makabila eh. Sa makabila.
Okay, game na mga idol, oh. Jared, bili mo ang mani, saka buko juice.
Dati
Jared daw.
kapit bahay lang kaya
Jared.
sa makabila.
Ma'am Cheryl, wala pa po. Ngayon pala nag-umpisa.
Sino naman may sabi? Harold Jared.
Sabi ni Kiki. Kapabili ng mani.
Bibili na lang pera, Jared.
Ngayon pala mag-umpisa. Yan na.
Williams Juice number 10. 20.
Magandang gabi, Ma'am Cheryl.
Pass the ball done to the east. The east bars. Good for two. Williams Juice number 5. Gonzalez pass to Mina. Mina Juice number 10. Pass to Sanguesa. Williams Gonzalez. Gonzalez Juice number 5. Gonzalez 5.
Happy Valentine's Day, Madam Cheryl.
Williams Juice number 10, Painting. Painting nga na magdilimon. Painting bars. Williams Gonzalez. Mina! Davisman gets the rebound pass to Portland. Here comes Portland, here's number 29. Pass to 90 to the east. 14 seconds to shoot. Kainting! In and out! Rose! Number 2.
Hindi ba boss tanggalin yung poste eh. Naharang na yung poste.
Out of bounds.
Hindi ka talaga.
Hindi.
Ganun din.
Naharang lalo. Shoutout kay Boss Aris. Isang technical naman
Here
yun.
comes series number 29, Bognat. Bognat pass the keys. Okay, may ball tayo. Who's for track? Ball jersey number 15, holding foul po shot.
Isang technical naman daw dyan, Boss Aris. Eh, napanood ka.
Okay, first two.
Paulo.
Paulo. Paulo.
Palyanan.
Ang bola pumasok. Here comes jersey number 9 ang pass. Intercept by Bognat, forward pass for Ricky. Kain sa racing out. May ball tayo. Ball jersey number 5, Gonzalez. Bruce foul in second team foul. Barangay Pinanggaan.
Ito yata isa pa ngayon, wala.
First throw pumasok.
Picture niya, no? Dami. Picture ako mamaya sa bahay.
Second throw pumasok. Score natin 7-2 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes Gonzalez. Gonzalez pass Molina. Back to Gonzalez. Out of bounds, 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Here comes Pasqua. Pass coming sa nahuli. Out of bounds, 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Boss Aris, asan daw tatay mo? Asan daw tatay mo? Hanap ni Jesse. Abate.
8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Here comes Pasqua. Down the five. Abate pass again. Here comes jersey number 10, Mina. 10 seconds to shoot. Mina na lead. Agawa na buwa. Nakakimina pa din. Intercept by Bognat. Intercept by San Diego na. Pass to Pasqua. Dabal ang bola sa pass ng Barangay Sabang. Score natin 7-2 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes Bognat, pass to Maitik. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Dakis. Dakis to the lead. Out of bounds, same ball. Here comes switch number 5, Gonzalez. Gonzalez switch number 5. Gonzalez na yan. Switch number 10. Here comes AP. Kahit switch na. Out of bounds.
Score boss, 2-7. Lamang yung Barangay Sapang. 2-7.
Barangay Pinanggaan. Official score natin 7-2 in favor of Barangay Sabang.
Shoutout kay Jordan Dakis. Sabi ka man ni Julio. Hindi mo ba kasi pangalan eh.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Score 2-7. Lamang yung Barangay Sapang.
19 seconds to shoot. Here comes Kenty. Pass the ball na to Dakis. Dakis ngayon, ano yung swerte? Dakis na lagi. Dakis. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa balik ng Barangay Pinagan. Here comes Bruce number 5, Gonzalez. Gonzalez pass to Mina. This 2 points is brought to you by Serta 2025-2026 Season 1. Doktor ngayon na magtitinon. Here comes Bognan. Lalabay Mina. 14 seconds to hit. 20. Passer. There's the mark. Nice to have the power. Who's correct? Ball jersey number 27. Hit into the arm. 2 shots para kay jersey number 24. Dakis. First person foul, jersey number 27. Third team foul. Barangay Pinagan.
Si Julio pala yun. Ano balita sa Julio?
Ang pangalawa ng Lisbon.
Naka-abroad ka na daw, mayaman ka. Mayaman ka na raw.
Here comes jersey number 5, Gonzalez. Plus Camina. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagasman, pass to Enki. Enki ngayon, pass to Bogdan. Pass to Rose. Out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 42 seconds.
Boss Julio, pasend naman na star dyan, oh.
Here comes jersey
Shout
number
out
5,
kay Christopher
Gonzalez.
Oltindo. Sabi ni Christopher Oltindo.
Gonzalez pass to Nina. Painting ngayon, jersey number 10. Pass to Lagasman. Shot by two. 9-5 in Pedro.
9-5, lamang yung Sapang.
Barangay Sabang. Here comes Mina. To Gonzalez. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa kanig ng Barangay Sabang. Here comes jersey number 29, Bogdan. Bogdan pass to 20. 20 to the east. 14 seconds to may ball tayo. Pusto trap. Ball jersey number 15, Bujing ball.
Mga boss, pasend na star, oh.
Seven person, jersey number 15, fourth minute. 14 ball, 7 personal ball, jersey number 15, 14 ball. Para may substitution from gets out. 1 jersey number 14. Score natin 10-5 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Time remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Here comes Juan. Juan pass to Gonzalez. 4 seconds to go. Nina! Here comes Cruz. Pass to Walker. Walker ngayon.
Shout out kay Christopher Galang.
Out of bounds. Bawal ka bola sa balik ng Barangay Pinagaan. Score natin 10-8 in favor of Barangay Pinagaan. Baseman pass to Henry. Painting pass to Bogdan. Bogdan pass to Lagasman. Never. Abay na. Bogdan pass to Nina. Bakit. Barangay Sabang. Delta tayo rin. Lamang parehas. Deadlock all 10.
Pero dapat ganun mo lang. Laro lang yan.
Deadlock, all 10.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yun na, nag-send na ng star si Michael, oh.
Lubong star yun.
Nag-send na ng star si Michael. Eh, si Boss Jerry, dalawa, yun. Comment, ano.
Okay, back to the ball game.
All 10.
Deadlock tayo all 10.
Shoutout kay Aljan. Hindi kaya yata nanood
Here
kayo.
comes Lopez. Pass to Luis number 10, 20. Back to Lopez. Lopez first number 1. Pass to Lakis. Lakis sa ilalim. Good for two. Here comes Luis number 4, 1.
Kami hindi sila nakahiyaw.
1 ngayon. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Pass to Gonzalez. Lopez pass to Lakis. Lakis to 90.
Happy birthday daw kay Rene Molina, sabi ni Pare
1
Ariel.
minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 20. Level. Lakis ngayon. Lakis. Pass to Lopez. Good for two. Time remaining 1 minute
Happy
and
birthday
30
kay Rene
seconds.
Molina, sabi ni Pare Ariel.
Here comes Mina Ball.
Idol ni Jared.
1 minute exactly.
Shoutout kay Jay Cabate, sabi ni Seb Bis.
14-30 in favor of Barangay Sabang. 20-30 to shoot. Pass the Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. That is Babawi. 45 seconds. Gonzalez. 40 seconds. Each favor. Yaman na ng isang panik ng Barangay Pinagan. 34 seconds. Lopez. 14 to shoot. Lopez. May foul tayo. Ball jersey number 4. Hit into the arm. No shots. Wala kay jersey number 1. PJ Lopez.
Alam mo na naisip Pinanggaan, 15-14.
First personal foul penalty. First period. 29.3 seconds. Ang final minute, 5 seconds to go between shot clock and game clock. 24 seconds. Here comes Mira. 19 seconds. May foul tayo.
Wala ko siya. Dati na nga ganun.
Who's foul left? Foul jersey number 10, Kenny. Blocking foul, 2 shots. 16 seconds.
Shoutout kay Jana Yunis, Sacro. Sabi ni Seb.
16 seconds. 16 seconds. 16 seconds.
Shoutout sa Batang Uno ng barangay na
13 seconds. No shot clock. 12 seconds. No shot clock. 9.9 seconds. Basta na lamang inyong maririnig. 9.9 seconds.
Fiesta siguro sa Nabao bukas. Parado.
5 seconds. 6.1 seconds. 6.1 seconds. Buzzer na lamang inyong maririnig.
yata si Juan. Batang Steph Curry, si Joel, wala yata.
Jewel.
O, si Bueno, si Bueno. Good luck mga idol sa opening nyo ng Liga ng Nabao bukas. Shoutout kay Ron Galam, Kameda. Pakisabi sa committee. Shoutout kay Gian James, Mateo, Anthony Lucas.
Here comes juice number 4.
Shoutout kay Rodel Labate.
One man, juice number
Shoutout
4.
kay Christopher Martindo.
Gonzalez, pass to Sandosa. Sandosa, here comes Maquis. Was the juice number 10. Mark Maquis.
Pasenda ng star mga idol.
20 to Lopez. Lopez ngayon, 14 to hit. Maquis na lead. Here comes Pasco, pass to Juan. Juan pass to Galang. Sandosa, pass. Here comes Maquis. Pass to Maquis. Pass to Maquis. Maquis pass. In and out. Sandosa gets the rebound. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez ngayon. Gonzalez! 21-13 in Pindro. Barangay Pinagaan, here comes Yankee. 14 seconds to hit. May ball tayo. Who's ball left? Ball use number 15. Substitution, Yankee out. Sanggesa out, use number 15. Third. Personal ball. First team foul. Barangay Pinagaan. Here comes Yankee. 14 seconds to hit. 10 seconds to hit. Good for two. 21-16 in favor of Barangay Pinagaan. Here comes Yankee. Yankee cross to Lopez. Lopez ngayon ang diskarte. Intercept by Habate. Habate ngayon. May ako foul. Foul use number 13. Pushing foul is 2 shots. Matangay use number 27. Habate. Use number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw again. Here comes Damis, pass to 20. 20 pass to Damis. 14 seconds to get. Lopez! Good for two. 23-18 in favor of Manila. Here comes Gonzalez. And it gets rebound. Pass to Damis. Damis pass to Lopez. Good for two. Win the lead, 20. One, there's number 4. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Pasqua. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez. Intercept by there's number 4. Galangao, pass to Juan. Juan pa rin. Pass to Galang. 25-20. Here comes his number 24. Pass to 20. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Neville. Here comes pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Intercept by jersey number 13. Here comes the good for two. 25-22. In favor of Barangay Pinagan, here comes Galang. To Gonzalez, jersey number 4, 14 seconds to go. Abad na ngayon. Intercept by Galang. Here comes Andy. Pass to Lopez. Lopez in the lead. Here comes Galang. Galang. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez in the ball. Lopez pass to this number 2 for Damis. Damis pass to Damis. Damis! Here comes Galang. Galang ngayon. Galang pa din. Galang pa! Forward pass to Damis! Good for two! 27-24 in favor of Barangay Pinagan. Here comes Galang. 14 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez pass! Score natin 30-24 in favor of Barangay Pinagan. Renta 24. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Here comes jersey number 13, Andy. Pass to PJ Lopez. Pass to Guzman. Guzman ngayon, pass to Damis. Damis ngayon. Damis ulit. Damis ulit. Here comes jersey number 10, Mina. Mina pass. Multi foul. Foul jersey number 5. Multi foul. Jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Here comes Lopez, race number 1. 13 seconds to shoot. Lopez fires, another. Juan gets the rebound. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, pass to Manuel. Manuel yun. Okay. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Here comes 20, jersey number 13. 20 ngayon ang magtitimon.
Oo.
20! Get the basket, may kasama pang foul. Who's foul red? Foul, jersey number 5.
Tulos naman nila.
Jersey number 5, third personal foul. Substitution. Gonzalez out. Sakura, jersey number 16. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 13, 20. Bonus shot again. Here comes Manuel. Manuel, jersey number 1. Pass to Mina. Mina fires. 20 forward pass to Guzman. Then Guzman. 30-28 in favor. Parang kayo pinandaan. Here comes Juan. Pass to Manuel. Here comes Manuel. Here comes Mina. Jersey number 1. Pass to the base. That is pass to Lopez. 40 on the shoot. That is Guzman. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Sako sa gilid. Pass to Galang. Galang ball. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 35-30 in favor of Pangilinan. Here comes Lopez. Lopez, no shot na rin. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa halik ng Barangay Pinagdaan. 1 minute and 12 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Here comes Manuel. To Galang. Out of bounds. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 1 second. 13 seconds to shoot. Mina! Out of bounds. 58 seconds. 58 seconds.
Yago yun.
55 seconds. 52 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Dagos man lagi. Dagos lagi. Dagos lagi. Boy, kumang seconds.
Oo nga, nagmumura na naman siya.
Okay, collection. Tapang ball. Warning bench number ng Sabang for improper bench siguro. 7 seconds to shoot. Pitong segundo. 14 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Time play. 25 seconds. 30 seconds. Here comes Manuel. 25 seconds. 23 seconds. Here comes Ramirez. Hindi po ay tayo. Usman rin. Foul use number 4. Laking foul. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. 19 seconds.
Score daw. Score, 35-32. Lamang yung pinanggaan.
15 seconds daw shot clock. Good for 2. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay.
37-34.
37-34 in favor of. Parang di pinanggaan. 37-34. Rep. Happy Valentine's sa lahat. Here comes Manuel. Manuel Paz. Habate ulit. Forward pass to Benty. Time to pass to Liz. 39-37 in Pedro. Parang may sabang. Here comes Manuel. Manuel ngayon. Manuel pa rin. Manuel pass to Habate. Besa. All 39. Here comes CP. Kain to ngayon. Pass to the rest of the man. James Silvo. 41 Pedro line. In Pedro. Parang may sabang. Here comes Galang. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Mina down to 5. Good one, good one. Here comes Mina. Mina, no good. Here comes Nikki, cross the race. That is the clear ball.
Wala, nadala ko na rin.
Ito na ako ang ball para kay jersey number 1, blocking foul, 2 shots. First personal foul, jersey number 1, first team foul. Para kay Brenda.
Ay, dalawa.
First goal, pumasok. Ang pangalawa na lead. 42-39 in favor of. Walang isa pa, here comes Galang. Pass to Mina. Mina may opportunity to shoot. Mina binali na rin. Here comes Henry. Henry forward pass in the Bruce. Angat sa lima ang kalamangan ng Barangay Sabang. Here comes Bruce number 1, Manuel. Manuel, 14 to shoot. Pass to Mina. Nagi, Abate, good for 2. 44-41 in favor of Barangay Sabang. 20, pass to 20, pass to the West Mundal. Good for 2. Here comes Mina. Mina gives the pen. Mina siya pa ganito, pass to 20, time will raise him up. Good for 2. Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
Lawang boss yung Barangay Sapang. 48-41.
First number 15, Sangkesa, dito sa fighters number 20. Swinging ngayon mga madali. Painting pa rin. Pass to 20. 2 seconds to shoot. Painting ngayon. Okay. Here comes jersey number 5. Gonzales. Gonzales ngayon. Gonzales pass to Habate.
Ganun lang.
May sumabi. Usman rep. All jersey number 18. Gagasman. First personal foul. First team foul. Parang isa pa. 2 shots para kay jersey number 27. Habate. First goal pumasok.
Lawang yung Barangay Sapang. 42-48.
Ang pangalawa na yun. Jersey number 10, technical foul for losing.
13 pa.
for using profane language. Substitution. Painting out.
Ay, ina.
Communication is on top.
Apa?
Okay, last throw.
Ay, lumaba yan.
Jersey number 13, running for supplemental ball.
Ay, lumaba yan.
Pasok. 48-43. In favor of Barangay Sabang. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Returns complete. Painting nyo. Pass to Usman. Galos. Man! 43. Here comes Habake. Habake. No ball back. Equal red. Ball jersey number 18. Illegal call sa katiraan. 2 shots. Para kay jersey number 27. Habake. So the personal foul, jersey number 18. Third team foul. First game last shot. For the ball. 50 for the ball. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Here comes jersey number 29, Bogart. Bogart, jersey number 29. Bogart pass away, take pass to the race, more than the shirt. 10 seconds here. Bogart! Here comes Bogart. Pass away, pick. 10 seconds to shoot. Jackie is another. Down to 5. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa high count. Barangay Pinagdaan. 4 minutes exactly. Gonzales. Pass to Galang. Galang boys. Habake. 50-47 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes Bernard. Bernard pass to away. 53-47. 3 minutes and 20 off right around nangyari. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Here comes Bogart. Bogart ngayon. Pass the case. The case scores! Habang against the rebound. Here comes Hababa. Pass to Galang. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales! Pagbuhay score natin 53-50 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Time remaining 3 minutes and 6 seconds para sa ating third period.
Hanggat time out. Samahan mo ang mga zero. Diyan si mama matatalo. Okay na.
Alam ko, ahawa ka pala ng baso. Ano pa dyan?
Now we're back to the goal game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Three minutes and 6 seconds. Here comes Katie, pass to Bognan. Bognan ngayon ang magkibiman. Bognan ulit, pass to Katie. Katie ngayon. Ito sa Bognan, here comes Juan. Babasa isang kailangan ng balato sa pang. Here comes Bogdan. Pass to Katie. 14 seconds to shoot. To Katie. 10 seconds to shoot. That is a bomb! 55-52. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. One on. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Substitution. That is out. Painting out. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 segundo. Intercept by Katie. Here comes Katie. Katie pass to the ball. There's a pass there to make a second foul.
53, 52, 57, Jasper. Namang yung barangay sa pang. 52, 57.
Use number 4, personal foul. Second team foul. Gonzalez personal foul. Gonzalez fouls. Here comes his number 29, Bogdan. Bogdan again. Pass to Katie. Katie pass to Rose. Katie Padel. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Here comes Sangosa. 1 minute and 28 seconds left.
Oo, higit. Bukas naman mo nasa ko.
Here comes Katie. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Pointed pass to the base. That is ngayon sa Lulid. 10 seconds to Lulid. That is not Lulid. Out of bounds. Yes, number 5 out. Score natin, 57-52 in favor of Barangay Sapang. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Dagestan. 10 seconds to shoot. Bogdan pass to Dagestan David. Dagestan yun. Pass to Andy. 1 minute exactly 10 seconds to shoot. Bogdan David. It's a high pass. 14 seconds to shoot, 55 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 20. 10 seconds to shoot. 95. Snuggle. Same ball tayo ulit. 14 seconds to shoot. 47 seconds, 14 to shoot. Ada pan, sendiri. 42 seconds. 13 to shoot. 42 seconds, 13 to shoot. 42 seconds, 13 seconds to shoot. Dagestan, pass to Katie. Katie pass, Bahir, give it to 5 seconds. 12 seconds. 25 seconds, 14 to shoot. Above the pass. Middle.
Pwede naman yung
Above
diretso
the
yan.
net. 14 seconds to go.
Okay, laki mo na yan eh.
15 seconds to stop now. Good for you. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Opo.
Third period, ito yung score natin, 61-52 in favor of Barangay. Maraming salamat po sa ating sponsor, Vice Mayor de Santos Santi, Eduardo Matias, Alagang Umali, Dr. Oye, and Manquero Umali, Vice Governor Lemon Umali, Bukal Jojon Valdianos, at Tong Jimmy Valdianos. Maraming salamat din po sa JDP, Garanda Cafe, Dominican, Barangay Lambraken, Garage Pro Automar, SLJ Car Trading, MD Ricardo, Prince DC Funeral Services, located at Barangay Lambraken.
Panoorin mo yung interview mo isang gabi yun.
Dinas Gagnon, located at Barangay Sabang, Marikit Private Event, Ukot Tracking, for all the heroes fighting and surviving, 4-day private resort, White Sand Beach Resort, located at Sambales, Kalingan, Kasangala, Marioca, Las Buenas, located at Barangay Dampulan, Big C, Tiago System and Bills, La Corazon Private Resort, located at Barangay Santo Tomas Park, Jesus Favor. Maraming salamat din po kay Consul Jimmy Marioca, Consul Ona Ison, Consul Alejandro Marin, at sa ating Vice Mayor, Santo Santo Eduardo Matias, at maraming salamat din po sa Kapitan ng Barangay Santo Tomas, Kapitan Marlon Espiritu, at sa kanyang mga kagawad. Maraming salamat din po sa ating mga Marlitan at kay Hepe, sa pagpapanatili ng matahimikan dito sa Barangay Santo Tomas South, Haen, Bebesia, 3109, Philippines.
Shoutout kay Axel Fernando Villaruel. Sabi ni Junjun Rivera.
Fourth quarter na po tayo.
Arid ngayon.
Pinagkaan ko, third quarter natin sa Barangay Sabang.
Shoutout kay Axel Fernando Villaruel. Sabi ni Junjun Rivera.
First number niya. Sukatan ang ganda ngayon. Sukatan ang ganda. Beach ball. Huwag mo na ito nga.
Jared, may kilala ka daw ba ng Lucas? Lucas. Si Lucas. Ayun na, Lucas Santillan. Kailan mo ba yan?
Squad natin, 61-52. In favor of Barangay Sabang. Waiting juice number 10. Pass to the east. Back to Wendy. Taking pass to Roca. Pass to Lopez. Pass to the east. 10 seconds to shoot. Here comes Gonzalez. Good for two. 61-54. Boga pass to Wendy. Wendy pass. 64-54. Here comes Habate. Habate ngayon. Baibe. Intercept by Wendy. Pass to Lopez. Labas Master Bro! 67-54 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes Gonzales.
Pogi mo pa naman.
Yes, number 15 Sportsman line foul. Criteria number 3. 3 minutes pahinga. Pasok ka, idol. Yes, number 15. Personal foul. 2 shots plus ball possession. Two shots plus ball possession. Criteria number 3.
Mag-asawa yun.
Stop pag-practice of translation. Translation. Tumasok, plus ball possession. Yan si number 15, pwede ka nang pumasok ng 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Ay, 5 minutes ba? Bogdan. Basto hindi. Pwede ka lang, pwede Castro. Castro Lopez. 5 seconds to go. Tapos pass. Here comes Sandy pass to the head.
Score 54-67. Lamang yung Barangay Sapang.
69,
54-69.
69-54. 14 seconds to shoot. Here comes Manuel. 10 seconds to shoot. Manuel Nera, pass to Abate. Down the line. Here comes Ulapos.
All na naman yun eh.
Intercept by Mina. Mina! 69-56. Here comes the race.
Out na sa OB ng Barangay Sapang kay Ivan Dakis, kay SK.
10 seconds to shoot. Bogdan, David. Here comes the race. Tapos ngayon, David. Here comes one. Here's number 4. The one, David Hababe. 69-58. In favor of Barangay Sabang. Here comes the race sa Laguna. This foul. Foul versus number 27, substitution. Taking out. Abata 7 personal foul, substitution. Back not out. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 19. Dakis. Bonus shot again. 71-58 in favor of Barangay Sapang. Here comes jersey number 4. 71-58. Mina jersey number 10. Mina na hula. Here comes the slot. Pass to 19. 7 minutes exactly. Pass to Dakis. Dakis niya sa gilid. Dakis! Labas. Intercept by jersey number 10. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales intercept by Dakis. Pass to Guzman. Guzman niya. Pass to Dakis. 14 seconds to shoot. Lopez. 10 seconds to shoot.
Shout out kay Boss Pendoy. Dakis. Pedro Pendoco.
73-58. Here comes first number 10, Mina! Time remaining 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Here comes Andy. 14 seconds to shoot. 20 pass on this one. To the response again. Hold on. Barangay Pulangan. Official score natin. 76, 61, in favor of Barangay Pulangan. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds. 5.
61-76. 15 lamang. 5 minutes, 55 seconds. Hoy, uwi ka na ba? Shoutout ka muna. Sabi na ako. Pedro, Pendoco, shout out. Ayaw ka rin sa pasinin.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Salamat sa panunod, boss Pedro, Pendoco.
Here comes one. One goes to number 4, pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez pass to Manuel. Good pursuit.
Oy, nanula!
Here comes Andy.
Ba?
Goes number 13, offensive foul. Offensive foul, goes number 13.
Dito lang.
Second personal foul, goes number 13. First team foul. Here comes Manuel. Pagilid, Nina, Manuel. Out of bounds, save ball. 17 seconds on the shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot.
Salamat sa panunod, boss Pedro, Pendoco.
Here comes Manuel Paz. One ngayon. One pa din. May sunod na foul para kay JC number 19.
Ayun, pasen ng star, boss Pedro, Pendoco.
Para kay JC number
Binibigay.
4. First personal foul.
Boss Dante, 63-76. Lamang yung barangay sa pang.
First down again.
Boss Pedro, Pendoco, pasen naman ng
Ang
star
bala
pa.
pa rin. Here comes Miguel Lopez. At ang bounce. Babalik ang bola sa panig ng Barangay Sapang. Here comes Daisman. Pass to 20. 20 ngayon. Nahuli. At ang bounce single. 16 seconds to get. Dahil na yan. May ball tayo. Usman na. Partners number 1 Manuel. Dito doon sa substitution. Sino?
Gigi, katsa-champion mo lang. Mag-send ka na ng star dyan. Ah. Katsa-champion
Score
mo na.
natin. 76-63. 76-63. Okay, pwede na pumasok si Mr. Sanquesa.
Shoutout kay Lucas Santillan. Sabi ni Mark Rainier.
Ang ball na pumasok.
Yun, maraming salamat, Boss Pedro Pendoco. 35 stars.
77-65. Baba sa 12 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Sabang. Here comes Lopez! Good for two.
Salamat sa 35 stars, Boss Pedro Penduko.
20 years number 13. 20 na yan.
Champion, nag-send na star. Oh.
Maingat na maingat yung Mr. Tagasman.
Ibang star yung sined ni Boss Apyong.
122 seconds. Gonzalez, get it up high. It is. Follow pass. Winning to Lopez. Lopez! Good for two. 83-65. Mina Lavil. Here comes Gonzalez. May point na lang.
Shout out sa secret weapon ng crossing. Apyong, Osnola.
Paul,
Lagi bukas
jersey
ang
number
ganyan.
19. Laban Paul.
Apyong, Osnola. Shout out, sabi ni Lucas Antillan. Secret weapon ng Barangay Sabang.
83-65 in favor of Barangay Sabang. Time remaining 4 minutes exactly. Ang pagkakala sa sarado. Oh, sa
Kaya na.
okay mo sana ng bukas ha, bahala kayo.
Wila! Sige, Perez, lalabas! Tinta!
Oh, hindi na kayo si Pogi ah.
Picture po muna, ka-picture!
Dali lang. Dali lang. 1, 2. Yan. Uwi na ba kayo?
Okay, official score 82-65. 82-65. Hindi sila pinamakas natin ha. Next game po natin.
I-reveal mo na yung real name mo, Boss Pedro Penduko.
14 seconds to give.
Lamang yung Barangay Sabang, 82-65. 4 minutes pa.
Get the basket, make a samba foul. Was for that. Foul jersey number 18. Illegal contact on the arm, corner shot.
Pedro Penduko, pa-reveal lang name.
Here comes Tagasman, pointing pass to Lopez. Lopez, pass to Tagasman, pointing pass Davis. Davis ngayon. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 segundo. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Lopez! Good for two. 84, 67, 84, 67. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. De Guzman, pass to 20. 23 number 13, pass to Damis. Damis pa rin, 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Damis! In and out. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. 84, 17. Davis! Go for two. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Report tayo. Host ball red ball, jersey number 13. Substitution, game kick out. Rep, penalty ka rep, penalty. Sabre. Sino? Let's go. Okay, pasok. 86-70.
Pedro Penduko, si Kumbayan.
First row pumasok, 86-71. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Ang pangalawang game, here comes the ace.
Kuhan yun, si
2 minutes and 40 seconds. Bogdan.
Koroy, si Pedro Pendugo. Koroy, magbitang.
Sanggesa Paso, Mina. Mina ngayon. Mina pa din. Intercept by Pusher 7, 14 to shoot. Gonzalez! 86-74. 86-74. Bogdan. Basta 14 seconds to shoot. Lopez to the Guzman! Ilan? May foul tayo. Who's foul right? Foul goes number 1. Barangay Sabang, goes number 1, personal foul. Boy, 20 seconds to shoot. 14 foul, Barangay Pinanggaran.
Jojo pala yun.
14 seconds to shoot.
Idol Jojo de Guzman ng Barangay Sapang.
Here comes Katie. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Bogdan. Pass to Ace. Down to 5. That is 5. Here comes Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Gonzalez. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Sabi ni Papa J, si Idol Jojo pala yun, de Guzman.
Here comes Bogdan. Pass to Lopez. 14 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds to shoot. May ball tayo. Ball goes number 10. Penalty na red. Penalty. Red penalty muna. Penalty. First personal foul goes number 10. Penalty. 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Lamang yung Barangay Sapang, 86-76.
First throw pumasok. 1 minute and 17 seconds. 87-76. 87-76. Nagin. Here comes Bernard.
Idol Jojo de Guzman pala, akala ko si Magbitang.
Bernard pass to Guzman. 1 minute and 7 seconds.
3-point mo, Lance.
Gonzalez nagin. Guzman pass to number 10. Bernard pass to the Ace. Takis nagin. 55 seconds. Sanggesa Fire!
Galing. Ayaw talaga.
51 seconds.
Alat.
51 seconds.
Talo!
45 seconds. In favor of Barangay Sabang. 45 seconds. Both teams penalty. team. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. Ball jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, fourth personal foul. First row pumasok. 44 seconds. Ang bola pumasok, 44 seconds. Here comes Nina Pasto Gonzalez. May mga tayo, mas madret. Foul boys number 1, blocking foul. Penalty na, penalty. First round again.
Maalat sila.
39.6 seconds. Dapat pa din. Here comes ball na Tugasman. Tugasman, pass to Daquis. Gets the basket, may kasama pang foul. Who's called that foul? Jersey number 1, jersey number 1, foul. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 24, Daquis.
Si Guzman kanina, ayaw ang sumablay ng mga perimeter sa Guzman.
Pasok. Ito, pasok na. Bonus shot pumasok, 35 seconds. Here comes Lopez. Forward pass to Daquis. Pass to Bogdan. Bogdan! Nugget. 22 seconds. Daquis! Nugget. Gomezman! 18 seconds. Who's the left? Foul, jersey number 10. Blocking foul.
Ay, sumablay ni Guzman kanina yung mga perimeter.
14 seconds. Daquis, 6 seconds. Congratulations, good teams. Best player of the game.
Tapos na mga boss, panali sa pang 78-96.
Tara na.
Salamat boss Pedro Penduko sa 35 stars.
Okay, best player of the game, jersey number 24, Daquis.
Boss Pedro Penduko. Jojo De Guzman. Idol Jojo, thank you sa 35 stars. Okay na,
Daquis,
unahin
jersey
na
number
pag
24, best